Today I'm going to show you how to install and use the Apollo.io Chrome extension. This extension is incredibly useful as it allows you to find contact information and engage with prospects directly from LinkedIn and other websites, making your outreach workflow much more efficient. Let's start by opening a new browser tab. In the address bar, type in apollo.io and hit enter. You'll be directed to the Apollo website. Once you're there, look at the top right part of your screen where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it to access your account. After entering your credentials and logging in, you'll be automatically directed to the Apollo dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all your prospecting activities. Now that you're in the Apollo dashboard, we can move forward with installing the Chrome extension. Direct your attention to the left navigation menu where all your tools and options are located. Scroll down to the very bottom of this menu and you'll see Admin Settings. Click on it and the menu will expand to show you additional options. From these expanded options, select All Settings. This section gives you access to various configuration options for your Apollo account. Once you're on the All Settings page, take a look at the left navigation menu again. You'll directly see an option labeled Chrome Extension. Click on it to proceed to the extension installation page. This is where Apollo makes it easy for you to enhance your browser's capabilities with their powerful prospecting tool. On the Chrome extension page, you'll notice a prominent button that says Get Our Chrome Extension. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store page where the Apollo extension is available. From there, simply click the Add to Chrome button and confirm any prompts that appear. The extension will download and install automatically in just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Apollo icon appear in your browser's toolbar, typically at the top right corner next to your address bar. You can now use this extension while browsing LinkedIn or company websites to instantly find contact information, save leads to your Apollo account, and engage with prospects without having to switch between tabs. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Apollo.io Chrome extension, and you're ready to supercharge your prospecting efforts right from your browser. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.